Have you ever wondered what the next big leap in technology will look like? From the Industrial Revolution to the age of the Internet, each wave of innovation has reshaped our world. But what's next? Stick around as we dive into the mind-blowing advancements set to define the future. 1. 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Imagine a world where you could design a product on your computer and have it materialize before your eyes. That's the promise of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Beyond creating small trinkets or prototypes, this technology is revolutionizing industries like construction, medicine, and even space exploration. For example, researchers are already printing organs like kidneys and skin for transplants. Companies are building homes in 24 hours using massive 3D printers. Space agencies are even experimenting with printing tools and components in zero gravity. This could lead to a future where manufacturing is faster, cheaper, and more localized. The implications? Massive shifts in global supply chains and a drastic reduction in waste. 2. 5G and telecommunications. 5G isn't just about faster internet on your phone. It's the backbone of a hyper-connected world. With speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, 5G opens up a universe of possibilities, from self-driving cars communicating in real time to cities equipped with smart sensors managing traffic, energy, and public services seamlessly. The low latency of 5G also supports technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, for gaming, education, and remote work. Imagine surgeons performing robotic-assisted surgeries from halfway across the globe, or students immersing themselves in virtual field trips to ancient civilizations. 3. Artificial intelligence. AI isn't the future, it's the present, and it's rapidly evolving. Today, AI powers recommendations on Netflix, virtual assistants like Siri, and even self-driving cars. But its next phase promises something far more revolutionary. Generative AI creating art, music, and even entire movies, personalized AI tutors transforming education, and AI models diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy. However, as AI becomes smarter, ethical considerations come into play. Will it replace jobs? Can it be biased? Will regulations keep up? These are the questions shaping the conversation around this transformative technology. 4. Virtual reality and augmented reality. VR and AR are more than just tools for gaming. They're becoming integral to how we experience the digital world. VR headsets can take you on immersive adventures, from climbing Mount Everest to exploring the ocean floor, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world, like helping engineers visualize blueprints or tourists navigate foreign cities. As devices become more affordable and software grows more sophisticated, the line between our digital and physical worlds will blur. Education, healthcare, retail, and entertainment are just a few of the sectors poised for disruption. 5. Biotechnology. The biotechnology is unlocking the secrets of life itself. Advances in genetic engineering tools like CRISPR are enabling scientists to edit genes with precision, potentially curing diseases once thought incurable. Lab-grown meat could revolutionize food production, reducing the environmental toll of agriculture. But perhaps the most exciting frontier is personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, making healthcare more effective and efficient. 6. Financial technology, fintech. The way we handle money is changing rapidly. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and decentralized finance, DeFi, are challenging traditional banking systems, offering faster, cheaper, and more transparent financial transactions. Fintech is also making finance more inclusive, bringing banking services to millions of unbanked people around the globe. For example, digital wallets and microloan platforms are empowering individuals in developing countries to start businesses and access financial stability. It's a revolution in how we think about, use, and interact with money. Technology, the force behind progress. Technology has been the driving force behind human progress for centuries. From steam engines powering the Industrial Revolution to planes, trains, and automobiles revolutionizing travel, every innovation has left a mark on how we live, work, and connect. Today, the ripple effects of electricity, the internet, and wireless communication continue to shape our daily lives. The next technological revolution isn't just about gadgets or software. It's about reshaping how we live, work, and interact with the world. So, what do you think? Which of these advancements excites you the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. See you next time.